Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 24th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 14th, 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.24. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of approximately 47.49% since we initially recommended Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 8 days ago. This equates to an average return of around 5.94% per day since it received the buy candidate designation. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 227.25% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 104.78% to 491.71%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it points to a 50.06% change over the next year, with potential returns varying between negative 71.81% and 131.70%. This corresponds to a price range of $3.72 to $30.58 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price on Friday, moving between $13 and $16. The Rigetti Computing Inc. stock price fell by 2% on the last day, which was Friday, the 24th of January, 2025, from $13.47 to $13.20. It has now decreased for 3 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 23.1%, ranging from a low of $13.16 to a high of $16.20. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 31.47% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased during the last day by 79 million shares, although this occurred amid falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, slightly raising the risk in the coming days. In total, 211 million shares were traded, valued at approximately $2.79 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $21.42, while the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the price stands at 38.38%, or $8.22, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, Incorporated, trading under the symbol RGTI, has been making headlines as the current market climate appears bullish, especially following the recent record highs seen in the S&P 500. This positive sentiment can foster an optimistic outlook for RGTI in the long term. Despite a slight dip of 0.5% in its recent trading day, RGTI experienced significant volatility, highlighted by an impressive surge of 42.2% in value earlier this month. However, analysts warn that projections for quantum computing stocks may suggest potential declines, with some estimates indicating a drop of up to 80% for certain competitors. Such forecasts could temper investor enthusiasm around RGTI. On the other hand, there's a notable spike in interest among investors, signaling potential for continued engagement with RGTI. Recent developments also highlight Rigetti's substantial gains of 679% over 3 months, showing that while the stock faces challenges, it has successfully expanded its clientele and presence in the quantum computing sector, which is critical as artificial intelligence spending continues to surge. In the short term, RGTI's stock price could react sharply to market sentiment, with strong investor interest potentially providing support against downward pressures from bearish analyst forecasts. In the long run, maintaining momentum against larger competitors like Alphabet will be key. Overall, RGTI stands at a critical juncture where it could either capitalize on the bullish market or face turbulence as broader trends in the quantum computing space unfold. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 28th of March, 2023, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Rigetti Computing's stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Today, the stock is showing mixed signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 2nd of January, 2025, and since then, it has declined by 34%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Rigetti Computing Incorporated has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Moreover, a general buy signal is present as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $12.37 and $10.77. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 68 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal from 68 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 61 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.94 and $10.69. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $10.94. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.69 and $10.04. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.04 between its high and low, representing a change of 23.10%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 19.64%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. It is not uncommon for even established companies to experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $13.91. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $10.94. If this support level remains intact, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of December, 2024, Johnson Rayot conducted an insider purchase of 98,373 shares of common stock. On the same day, Johnson Rayot also executed an insider sale of 98,373 shares of stock options. On the 10th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. sold 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 9th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. again sold 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 6th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. conducted yet another sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative with a ratio of 0.498. In total, insiders bought 7,940,549 shares and sold 4,456,636 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.51, reflecting a decrease of 5.26%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. A sell signal has been indicated from a pivot top identified 14 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, coupled with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may represent a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 27th of January, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open at 99 cents and begin trading at $14.19. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.